All right, number 5, the Metropolis Zoo, I wonder if Superman's there, recently celebrated the birth of 2 baby pandas. Woo! Paula the panda cub has been measured and weighed each week since she was born. Her measurements are charted in the graph below. Write an equation in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, that represents Paula's weight situation. So when you type this in, make sure no spaces, no capitals, simplify fractions. So to find rate of change from a table, we need the y-intercept, which is where our x is 0. Now, it does not tell us what x is, but the way that I think about it, x is usually has to do with some sort of time, or it's affected by y. So x affects what y is, if that makes sense. So in this case, weeks are x, weight is y. Because if we look at this, after 0 weeks, the weight is 1. All right? After 1 week, the weight is 5. So x directly affects y. Okay? So we need to find where x is 0, which is right here, and our y value is positive 1. So our y-intercept is 1. Our slope, we're going to use y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. If this is y, it's going to go on the top. I like my zeros here. So I'm going to go like this. This is my point number 1. This is my point number 2. So y2 is 5 minus y1, which is 1. X2 is 1 minus x2, which is 0. So 5 minus 1 is 4. 1 minus 0 is 1. We can simplify that. Nah, it's not 5. 4, and it's 4 pounds per week. And she's gaining 4 pounds per week. So if we write this as an equation, y equals 4x plus 1, that is what you should have written in your answer box. No spaces, no capital letters. Y equals 4x plus 1.